Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is creation. You're in the mode of creation. You're a great co-creator. It's time. I'm asking, what are you making at this moment? What are you bringing to life? I want you to execute, make a timeline, meet those deadlines, and create it because you are in your greatness right now. I have the power to direct my life with constructive attitudes and a teachable heart. I create what is best for my soul. I firmly believe I can improve and transform my inner and outer worlds by turning every thought to affirmative action and being firm and actually following through. I act in the image of God. You act in the image of God. Are you ready to create? And I bring life into my life and into the world. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.